Hello everyone. We have a regular hexagon which is divided into two areas, the blue area and the white area. The area of the blue section is given by A equal to square root of 3 over 4, and we are asked to find the distance of this corner, the top corner, to x-axis denoted by y. So this is a regular hexagon, and all the sides length is equal. Let's denote them by small a. Let's say that the blue area has two parts. By drawing a line parallel to the x-axis from this corner, we'll have a isosceles triangle, because the two sides are equal on the top, and we will have a rectangle at the bottom. So the area of the blue portion, or A, will be equal to, let's say that the area of the rectangle is S1, and the area of the this triangle is S2. So A will be equal to S1 plus S2. So S1 will be, so let's say, let's come here. So S1 is basically A, this side times this side, which is the base of this triangle. Let's call the base of this triangle as 2b, because this is an isosceles triangle. The height of it, which is this line, let's denote this as h, will divide the base into two equal portions. Let's call each portion as b, and then the base of this triangle will be 2b. So S1, which is the area of the rectangle, will be a times 2b. And S2, which is the area of this triangle, will be 1/2 of the height, h, times 2b, which is going to be h times b. On the other hand, y, this value will be h plus a. So we need to find h in terms of a, and then find the value of a in order to be able to find y. So from the right angle trigonometry, we know that if we know this angle, we will be able to, from the cosine and sine of this angle, we'll be able to find the relation between B, H, and A. So as the two sides of this triangle are the same, then this angle will be equal to this angle. But we know that in a hexagon, all the individual angles are 120 degrees. So this angle is 120 degree, this angle is 120 degree, since this is a regular hexagon. So this angle will be 120 degree, and half of this will be 60 degrees. So then sine of 60 degrees will be the opposite leg over the hypotenuse of this right angle or right triangle. Then sine of 60 degrees will be equal to b over a. Sine of 60 degrees is 3 square root of 3 over 2. Then from here, b will be equal to square root of 3 over 2 times a. And let's write cosine of this angle. So cosine of 60 degrees will be h over a. Cosine of 60 degrees is 1/2, and then h will be 1/2 of a. So up to here, we can write y in terms of a by just replacing h with this value. So y will be 3/2 of a. So this is something that we have calculated up to this point. Let's plug S1 and S2 into this equation. So we will have a, which is square root of 3 over 4, equal to S1 plus S2. S1 is 2ab, 2a times b, and we know that b is square root of 3 over 2 times a, plus S2. S2 is h times b. H is half of a, and b is square root of 3 over 2 times a. So by simplifying this equation, we'll have square root of 3 times a squared plus square root of 3 over 4 times a squared. This will be equal to 5 over 4 times square root of 3a squared. But we know that this is equal to square root of 3 over 4, and then from here 4 and square root of 3 will be cancelled out. We'll have 1 is equal to 5 times a squared, and from here a is 1 over square root of 5. And we know that y is 3/2 of a, then y will be 3 over 2 square root of 5, 3 over 2 times square root of 5. So this will be the value of y. Thank you very much.